Hey guys, it's Jeffy in Edit. Everything I recorded was on its side and I found a way to flip it over, but it messes up the image really bad, so I'm just gonna continue to upload sideways. My apologies. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeffy and today we're going to be doing a really simple nougat recipe that I found online. The first step is going to be to cut up our dots so they're just a little bit smaller, and to do that I'm going to use a clean pair of kitchen scissors. Here are our chopped up gumdrops. I just ended up slicing them in half. I figured it would make them incorporate into our batter a little bit easier, but this step is technically not necessary. Also, before we get going on heating up our chocolate and our marshmallows, you're going to want to make sure that you have a lined cooking sheet ready to go. And it's best to put a little bit of butter in it or a little bit of cooking spray. That way everything comes out perfectly. I just put 1 tablespoon of butter into our pot, and next I'm just going to add in our chocolate chips and then our marshmallows. Now we have everything in our pot and we're ready to start heating this up. You can do that either in the microwave in 30-second increments or on the stove top, and we're just going to melt it until it's smooth. So here's everything completely melted down. It looks really sticky and delicious. So I'm just going to add in our gumdrops now and give it a good stir, and then we'll throw this into our pan. That's with everything mixed in, and it's going to be hard to hold it and pour at the same time, so I guess I'll show you guys once it's in our pan. One spatula to smooth it out really well. It did take a little bit of work, but it looks gorgeous to me. So I just pulled our nougat out of the refrigerator. It was in there for a couple hours and now it seems really nice and hard. I think we're all set to cut this up into pieces. This seems to be cutting really nicely. It's a little bit hard to cut through, but it's not sticking to the knife at all, which is really nice. Right, there's 1 strip cut out, and then I'm just going to cut this in 2 little triangles. And here we have our completed project, delicious nougat. Those look so delicious. I think it would be nice to wrap them individually, but I'm probably just going to put these in a pan with some parchment paper between the layers. Thanks again for joining us. We'll see you next time.